In this video, we will show you how to align the watch hands of your vívomove watch using your smartphone's camera. Before calibrating, make sure that your Garmin Connect app has the permission to access your smartphone's camera. Open Garmin Connect app. Select the menu icon or More. Select Settings. Select Phone Permissions. Make sure the camera permission is on. If it is off, select Manage Permissions to allow the camera permission. Go back to the main menu. Select Garmin Devices. Select your vívomove series watch. Select Hand Alignment. Select the camera icon below. Position your vívomove watch in the circle. Wait until the circle turns green, and the alignment is complete. That's it. Thanks for watching.